Hello, and welcome to another KBK Lego Boss custom build video, where I show you what I have made, where the idea is from, and how I built it. Here I have a dump truck. The idea is to build something out of Legos to help you clean up your Legos. The dump truck has a dump bed, which is 21 studs long and 8 studs wide. The dump bed contains 3 block tall walls and a ledge to keep blocks from falling out. A bed can dump using clip pieces If you look past the tires, you can see I've put silver and blue studs to make it look like shocks to help carry heavy loads. If you move forward, you have the fuel tanks so that it can travel long distances. The cab is built on a 7 by 8 stud wide plate, which has smokestacks for the exhaust, mirrors so that you can see backwards, a large window with a bumper with large lights so you can see well, and a large fan so that the truck can get lots of air. You also have lights on the top so you can warn vehicles that you are coming. On the inside, you have 2 chairs for 2 people to sit, a lever for your stick shift, and a steering wheel so that you can drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions on what I should build, please leave a comment. If you want to see more of what I make, please leave a like. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.